So under here in the roles, we have quite a few roles. Somebody play just coordinating, that knows NLS software, that knows the time-sharing software, that knows the display hardware, the transceiver hardware, user references. We need to cover those at each session. And we also say there are these different sessions available. Well, let's jump down. God, how do I jump around? Jump down and look at this duty roster again, where we look underneath each guy and we realize we put a bunch of these code terms under there to say, okay, that's Menlo Park Tuesday morning, open house Tuesday evening, Menlo Park Wednesday morning. He knows NLS and time sharing system. So these are the categories. And now I can go back and using that content analyzer sort of thing, I can set myself up fairly nicely with special patterns. Like I can say, here's a pattern all set up. So it'll say, I want to see those people that are open house Tuesday evening. So I just can compile. Hey, it's working now. I compile that successfully. I say, all right, let's see it. So it does. It says, open head Tuesday evenings, open house Tuesday evenings. Andrews, Evans, open head. You'll have to forgive me for getting slightly rattled when this thing started to give me trouble. All right, these 4 people are on Tuesday evenings. That's very handy. If I wanted to, I can go to a view that only shows me what category I was filtering out. And I can use another thing I call markers. I haven't told you about lately before.